Hi friends, welcome back to English and Everything. Today, we'll practice 100 simple English questions and answers for daily conversation. I'll say a question, then the answer. Repeat after me. Let's start. 1. What's your name? My name is Aisha. 2. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. 3. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. 4. What do you do? I'm a student. 5. Are you married? No, I'm single. 6. What time is it? It's 5 p.m. 7. Do you like tea? Yes, I love tea. 8. Can you help me? Sure, how can I help? 9. What's your favorite color? I like blue. 10. Where is the bathroom? It's down the hall. 11. What's today's date? It's June 10th. 12. Are you busy? A little bit. 13. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2. 14. What are you doing now? I'm watching TV. 15. What did you eat for lunch? I ate rice and curry. 16. Do you know English? I'm learning it. 17. What's your hobby? I enjoy painting. 18. How do you spell your name? Ayesha. 19. Do you go to school? Yes, I do. 20. What's your favorite subject? I like English. 21. What's your father's name? His name is Ahmed. 22. What's your mother's name? Her name is Fatima. 23. What do you do in the evening? I go for a walk. 24. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. 25. Do you watch movies? Yes, I do. 26. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. 27. Can you cook? Yes, a little bit. 28. Do you like reading? Yes, I love books. 29. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I'm fine. 30. What's your age? I'm 20 years old. 31. Where are you from? I'm from India. 32. Are you tired? Yes, I need rest. 33. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. 34. Do you like music? Yes, I enjoy it. 35. What do you do on weekends? I relax and watch movies. 36. What's your favorite season? I like winter. 37. Do you like to travel? Yes, very much. 38. Where do you work? I work in an office. 39. Are you a student? Yes, I am. 40. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play cricket. 41. What's your mobile number? Sorry, I can't share that. 42. What's your email address? It's aisha@gmail.com. 43. What's your favorite fruit? I like mangoes. 44. Do you have a car? No, I don't. 45. Can you speak slowly? Yes, I can. 46. Are you hungry? Yes, a little bit. 47. Do you drink coffee? Yes, every morning. 48. What's the weather like? It's sunny today. 49. Do you sleep early? Yes, around 10 p.m. 50. Do you like shopping? Yes, I do. 51. What are your hobbies? I like singing and drawing. 52. What's your favorite animal? I love dogs. 53. What's your favorite drink? I like orange juice. 54. Do you go to the gym? Yes, sometimes. 55. Are you at home now? Yes, I am. 56. What's your favorite TV show? I like comedy shows. 57. Do you like spicy food? Yes, very much. 58. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can. 59. Are you sleepy? Yes, I feel sleepy. 60. What's your dream job? I want to be a teacher. 61. Do you eat outside? Sometimes, yes. 62. Can you drive a car? No, not yet. 63. Do you use social media? Yes, I use Instagram. 64. What's your daily routine? I wake up, study, and relax. 65. Do you like your school? Yes, I do. 66. Do you speak other languages? Yes, I speak Hindi too. 67. Do you enjoy parties? Yes, they are fun. 68. Do you wear glasses? Yes, I do. 69. What's your height? I'm 5 feet 4 inches. 70. Do you like cooking? Yes, I enjoy it. 71. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. 72. Do you have a best friend? Yes, her name is Sarah. 73. What time do you sleep? Around 10:30 p.m. 74. Do you like kids? Yes, I love kids. 75. What do you do on holidays? I rest or go out. 76. Do you take online classes? Yes, I do. 77. Do you eat vegetables? Yes, they're healthy. 78. Do you enjoy learning English? Yes, I love it. 79. Do you live alone? No, I live with family. 80. What do you wear at home? Comfortable clothes. 81. What time do you wake up? At 7 a.m. 82. Do you drink water daily? Yes, I drink a lot. 83. Do you eat junk food? Sometimes only. 84. What's your favorite place? I love the beach. 85. Do you take selfies? Yes, sometimes. 86. Do you celebrate birthdays? Yes, with friends. 87. What's your favorite festival? I like Diwali. 88. Do you like to dance? Yes, at parties. 89. Do you read the newspaper? Sometimes online. 90. Do you study daily? Yes, for 1 hour. 91. Do you wear a watch? Yes, always. 92. What's your favorite song? I like soft songs. 93. What's your goal? To speak English fluently. 94. Do you take a shower daily? Yes, every morning. 95. Do you laugh a lot? Yes, I do. 96. Are you friendly? Yes, very friendly. 97. Do you visit relatives? Yes, on weekends. 98. Do you like chocolate? Yes, it's my favorite. 99. Are you scared of anything? Yes, of heights. 100. Do you love yourself? Yes, I do. That's all for today. Thanks for practicing with me. Keep listening and speaking daily. Don't forget to subscribe to English and Everything for more English learning videos. See you in the next episode. Bye.